Hi YouTube, author Stephanie Newell, and this is the Life of a Writer channel. Today's video, how to write a book about yourself. So if you want to connect with readers and sell more books, make sure to subscribe and get new content to your inbox every Tuesday. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 tips that writers need to know in order to be successful. By implementing these simple tips in your manuscript, it will help you to share your story and inspire your readers. So let's get started. So let's start with the basics. A memoir is a type of autobiography that focuses on a portion of a person's life, a historic event, or a thing. So in most cases, when you hear someone say that they want to write a book about their own life, they're talking about writing a memoir. Tip number 1, give some consideration to the life experiences that you want to share in your memoir. Now remember, there should be a theme that runs through your book. For some of you, you may have one theme, such as depression. For others of you, you may have several themes. Maybe you've experienced a trauma and that's the reason why you want to share your story. But remember what your theme is when you're picking out those life experiences that you want to share, because everything won't be able to go in this particular book. So make sure that whatever life experiences you're sharing, that it relates to the theme of your book. Tell me down in the comment section what is the theme for your book. Tip number 2, start with an introduction. So for most of us, we don't have an existing audience and most people are not going to know who we are. So we can't just assume that people know who we are, they know our experiences, and that they know enough about us to be engaged in our life story. So the first place that you want to start is with an introduction where you explain who you are, why you're sharing this particular story, and what the reader will gain from reading your book. Tip number 3, remember, you don't have to tell your story in a chronological order. Although it may be easier, you don't have to start at your birth and end at present day. You want to tell your story in a way that is logical for your readers so that they can understand why and how you got to where you are. Tip number 4, make sure to inspire and motivate your reader, and also make sure that you hold true to any promises that you made in the introduction. So let's say, for example, you are sharing your experiences about some financial difficulties you may have had in your life. Remember why the reader is reading your book. They don't want to just know about your financial difficulties. They also want to know how you overcame those difficulties. So remember to inspire and motivate when you're writing your book. Tip number 5, be honest and transparent in sharing your story. So obviously you're not obligated to share any aspect of your life, but when you're sharing different aspects of your story with your readers, make sure you're doing so in a truthful and authentic manner, because that resonates so much better with the reader. If you want to connect with readers and sell more books, make sure to subscribe. But in the meantime, check out my latest video, How to Write a Book for Beginners, where I share the first 5 steps for writing a book. As always, all of my social media links will be in the description box below. If you're looking to hire me as your writing coach, you will find that information there as well. And I look forward to talking with you in my next video.